Hey, aloha guys. Chef Regi here with Aloha Shoyu, and today I'm super excited to mention that I will be on the 2025 Aloha Shoyu calendar, and which I'll be featuring our new product, Yuzulicious Ponzu Sauce. And I'm gonna be serving it with my favorite sashimi, Hamachi, also known as yellowtail. We're gonna thinly slice a couple pieces, put it on a plate, and we're gonna dress it with some navel oranges, some jalapenos, some red radish. We're gonna make a salad using a red cabbage, daikon, and green onion that will look like this. And then we're gonna serve it with a little, the Yuzu-licious ponzu sauce with a little of jalapeno cilantro vinaigrette.
All right, let's get this dressing started. Our jalapeno cilantro vinaigrette. We'll just grab some fresh jalapenos and into our blender cup. In they go, and to that we'll add our cilantro leaves. Fresh cilantro leaves give it some nice flavors, some refreshing flavors. To this mixture, we're going to add about a teaspoon of grated ginger and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. To this, we're going to add Aloha Shoyu's cider vinegar, about 1/4 cup. And then to emulsify the dressing, we'll add 1 cup of salad oil, just to bring everything together. Now just screw on the cap, and let's start blending. Let's just give it a go, blending everything together until you see a nice, bright, light yellow-green color. From time to time, just take it out of the pod and give it a little shake, and then let's blend again. Nice.
All right, now that we blended our jalapeno cilantro vinaigrette, it's time to assemble the plate. First, we're gonna get our hamachi here. All right, so we're just gonna slice probably 5 thin slices. All right, 2, 3, 4, 5. I love hamachi. It's so buttery, you know. It has a lot of oil on the fish, so you know it kind of marries very well with the Yuzulicious sauce. So we got our plate. All we want to do is put the red cabbage with the daikon and green onion on the bottom of the plate, and this will catch the ponzu sauce. It's like a dressing. It'll give it flavor. All right, just like that. And then we're just gonna lay the fish right on top. Like so. And then with the orange segments, you wanna put it right in between. Nice colors. Everyone eats with their eyes first, yeah? So this is gonna be like a very colorful plate. You got some nice flavors going, some tartness from the segments, and then also from the yuzu. Just like that. And then we're just gonna dress it with a little bit of thinly sliced jalapenos right on top. Some red radish. Just like this. Adds a little bit of crunch, some texture to the plate. And then we'll drizzle some of the Aloha Shoyu's Yuzulicious ponzu sauce. Get all of that ingredients mixed. And we're just gonna pour it over our crudo, our hamachi. Just like this. Start on one side and just drizzle. A little goes a long way, but All right, and now we're just gonna drizzle a little bit of that jalapeno, cilantro, ginger vinaigrette. Just take a little and then just give it a little bit, drops right on the fish for some nice color contrast going. And then maybe just like a little red cabbage right on top. And there you have it. Hamachi crudo using Aloha Shoyu's Ponzu sauce, also known as Yuzulicious. All right, mahalo for watching. And if you enjoy this recipe, check out our webpage at alohashoyu.com, where we feature new recipes every week using Aloha Shoyu products.